Hello students, let us read this question. Set up an equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. So we have given different statement. We have to set up an equation for the statement and solve the equation to find the unknown number. So the first question says that add 4 to 8 times of a number, you get 60. So let us consider it here. So let us first assume let the number be x. So according to condition, we have given that we have to add 4 to 8 times of a number. So 4 we have to add to 8 times of a number and it is equal to 60 we have given. So we have to find the value of x here. So first thing that we will do is we will subtract 4 from both the sides. So therefore what we will get is plus 4. We will subtract 4 from both the sides, so it will be 4 minus 4 plus 8x equals to 60 minus 4. So this 4 will get cancelled. We will get 8x equals to 60 minus 4, which is 56. Now in order to get the value of x, we will divide by 8 on both the sides. So therefore we will get 8x divided by 8 equals to 56 divided by 8. Now 8 will get cancelled and we know that 8 sevens are 56. So therefore the value of x comes out to be 7. Now x is nothing but our number. So therefore we can say that the number is 7. So similarly, let us consider the next statement. So we have given that 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So again, let us assume that let the number be x, and according to condition, we have given that 1/5 of a number minus 4 is equal to 3. 1/5 of a number and the number we have assumed is x minus 4 will give us 3. This is equal to 3. Now first thing that we will do is we will add 4 on both the sides of this equation. So x upon 5 minus 4 plus 4 equals to 3 upon 4. So this will get cancelled and it will be x upon 5 equals to 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4 will give us 7. Now in order to get the value of x, we will multiply by 5 on both the sides. So this will be 5 into x upon 5 equals to 7 into 5. So this 5 will get cancelled and therefore we will get the value of x as 7 into 5, which is 35. And x is our number, so therefore we can say that therefore the value of the number is 35. Now let us consider the next. So we have the statement says that if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I will get 21. So again, let us assume that let the number be x, and to condition, according to the given condition, we have to take 3/4 of a number. So number is x, so 3/4 of that is 3 upon 4 times x, and we have to add 3 to it, then we will get 21. We have to add 3 to it, so we will get 21. So this is our equation. Now first thing that we will do here is we will subtract 3 from both the sides. So this will be 3 upon 4 x plus 3 minus 3 equals to 21 minus 3. So 3 upon 4 x equals to 21 minus 3 is 18. Now we will multiply by 4 on both the sides. So this will be 4 into 3 upon 4 x equals to 18 into 4. So 4 will get cancelled. So we will get 3x equals to 72. Now we will divide by 3 on both the sides. So this will get cancelled and 3 to the 3 to the 6 and 3 4s are 12. So therefore the value of x comes out to be 24. So therefore we can write here that the number is 24. Now the next question says that when I subtracted 11 from twice of a number, the result was 15. So again, let us assume that let the number be x, and according to the condition that has been given, we have given that if I subtract 11 from twice of a number, so since our number is x, twice of number will be a 2x, and we have to subtract 11 from it, then we will get the result as 15. So this will be equal to 15. So first we will add 11 on both the sides. So this will be 2x minus 11 plus 11 equals to 15 plus 11. So this will get cancelled. Now it will be equal to 2x equals to 15 plus 11 will be 26. Now we will divide by 2 on both the sides. So 26 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled, and we know that 13 2s are 26. So therefore x comes out to be 13. So we can say that therefore the number is 13 in this case. Now let us consider the next question. So the question says that Munna subtract size of a number of notebooks he has from 50, and he finds then the result to be 8. So we have given that, again let us assume that let let the number be x. So according to the condition we have been given that Munna is subtracting thrice of number from 50. So from 50 we have to subtract thrice of number to get the result as equal to 8. So this is our equation. Now first thing that we will do here is we will subtract 50 from both sides. So this will be 50 minus 50 minus 3x equals to 8 minus 50. So this will get cancelled. Minus 3x will be equal to 8 minus 50 will be minus 42. Now we will divide by minus 3 on both the sides. So this will be minus 42 divided by minus 3. So minus 3 will get cancelled, and this minus sign will also get cancelled. Now we know that 14 3s are 42. So x comes out to be 14. So therefore we can say that therefore the number is 40. Now let us look at the next question. So next question says that Ibn Hal thinks of a number. She adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5. She will get 8. So let us assume that let the number be x, and according to the condition we have given that uh, she adds 19 to the number. So the number is x. She adds 19 to the number, and then we have given that she divides the sum by 5. Divides the sum by 5 to get the result as 8. So this will be equal to 8. Now first thing that we will do here is we will multiply by 5 on both the sides. So 5 into x plus 19 divided by 5 equals to 8 into 5. So this 5 will get cancelled. So it will be x plus 19 equals to 8 into 5 is 40. Now we will subtract 19 on both the sides. So x plus 19 minus 19 equals to 40 minus 19. So this will get cancelled and we will get x equals to 40 minus 19. So this will be, if we subtract, so this will be 40 minus 19. So this will give us 10 minus 9 is 1. This will be 3 minus 1 is 2. So x comes out to be 21. So therefore we can say that, therefore the number is 21. Now let us consider the next question. Anwar thinks of a number. He takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number. The result is 23. So let us consider, let the number be x, and according to the condition we have given that he takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number. So 5 upon 2 of the number will be 5 upon 2 times x, and he takes away 7 from it to get the result as 23. So this is equal to 23. So first thing that we will do here is we will add 7 on both the sides of this equation. So 5 upon 2x minus 7 plus 7 equals to 23 plus 7. So plus 7 minus 7 will get cancelled. So we get 2, 5 upon 2 x equals to 27 plus, 23 plus 7 will be 30. Now we will multiply by 2 on both the sides. So this will be 30 into 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So 5x equals to 30 into 2 is 60. Now we will divide by 5 on both the sides. So 5 will get cancelled, and we know that 12 5s are 60. So therefore x comes out to be 12. So we can say that therefore the number is 12. So in this question we have set up the equation using the statement and then solve the equation to find the unknown number. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.